below. You can order a theme for the next videos in the comments. Hi my friend, please subscribe, and you won't miss the new video. Watch new videos here. Here. And here.